Ahoy, bonjour, and welcome back. So, you've been trying to get a handle on speaking French, right? You know, being that jet-setting professional who wants to conquer French conversation. But every method you've tried before seemed to hit an obstacle. That's where we come in. Llyane French method, doing things a bit differently. First things first, let's talk about pronunciation. You'll be shocked at how swiftly you'll master pronouncing French in just 4 days. Yep, you heard it right. We've got 50 solid rules to streamline your French pronunciation game, and trust me, you'll be speaking with confidence in no time. Ever had those butterflies fluttering in your stomach right before a French conversation? That anxiety is no joke. But here's the kicker. We'll equip you with techniques to keep those jitters in check. No more shaky conversation, just smooth, confident talks in French. Imagine gliding through French conversation without forcing yourself to think in French first. Sounds too good to be true? But there's the secret sauce, adjusting your English thought process. Once you nail that, quick and accurate translation in French becomes second nature. Thinking in French will come with time. Feeling guilty about not dedicating hours on end to your French practice? Don't! We've got this incredible technique called deep practice. It's like a magic spell that makes your practice up to 10 times more effective in just a fraction of the time. Kiss that guilt goodbye. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Those free or low-end programs keeping you stuck. They're like quicksand, trapping you in a loop. But there's the thing. We'll break that cycle and show you a whole new path to mastering French. If you're struggling to find Francophiles to practice with, worry no more. Our approach to practice is a triple threat. With our 3-pronged strategy, you'll master French conversation without hunting down language partners. How cool is that? And here's a mind-blowing concept. Diving into confident French conversations from day one. No need to wait until you think your knowledge is perfect. We'll kick that barrier to the curb and get you conversing right away. As you learn French, I learn about you, mon ami. Your preferences, learning style, common mistakes. We identify their patterns and the triggers. This way, I create personalized tools tailored to help you correct yourself during conversations until speaking French becomes second nature to you. At Llyane, we're here to break the mold, shatter the barriers, and help you leap forward in speaking French. Our goal is to see you breeze through French conversations, waving goodbye to pronunciation worries, anxiety, and limited by your knowledge level. Ready to know concretely how I use the method? Watch the next video to find out how I work with my clients.